Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market, the financial markets. My name is Mr. Orange, and today we're going to talk about Unity and especially about this incredible big news, my friends. So you already assume it probably. So if you go on Unity investor relation page, you can see it here, the latest announcement. Unity announces merger agreement with ironSource. So we're going to go a little bit into this press release, and I'm giving you my opinion. A little disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail investor myself, a YouTuber. So everything you see here in this video, so every stock I'm talking about, so please don't buy them. You will lose a lot of money, and most probably already lost a lot of money at the stock market, and you're already out of the stock market. So guys, this is how it goes. So before we start, a little heat map. So we're still trading. It's 1 hour before closing, so but I feel like doing this video because it was making me a little bit angry today. Guys, I really have to admit this. So what's going on with the heat map? We have Microsoft, Google down, the Apple meter and Amazon finally up, and also Tesla at 3.19% up. So that's actually fine to see. And then overall, I would say it's more turning into a green day. And I'm always telling you guys, so if you were hanging in in the stock market, and if you were not selling your stocks when they're the lowest, obviously you should never do this, except you assume that the stock obviously goes bankrupt, but that's another question. Then we might see better times soon. So guys, here, this is the Unity stock. So that's times might not be so good for Unity. So on 1 year it's 68% down. So I'm invested in Unity and I'm over 50-60% down. So I'm pretty much down actually, because I was from I would say around $100 I was starting to reinvest. So I was last year I was trading actually pretty nicely from the $100 to 160, and then I was buying them here on a downward trend. So I expected actually Unity to turn, but you see, I don't know anything about stocks. Most people don't know anything about stocks. So the overall market situation, the rate hikes, the inflation, of course, gave it the rest. So that's something we are seeing then since May. It's 50% more down since May. You have to imagine this, and we are now from the all-time high. Let's see. Here's the all-time high. All-time high, 83% down. So is Unity coming back? Guys, I really can't tell you, because actually I like this company, but they have also a lot of concurrence. And is this new deal actually helping Unity to come back? That's the major question we have to ask ourselves. So if we go now, let's jump directly to the press release. So I'm putting you this link in the description of this video. So transformative combination forms the industry first end-to-end platform. So transformative combination forms the industry first end-to-end platform to power creators' success as they build, run, manage, grow, and monetize live games and real-time 3D content. So this deal is all about getting some new form of monetization for creators into the Unity world. So, and you see, the thing is, you see the chart. You see people were today really throwing Unity on the market. So 18.8% down. I bought a little bit more just to average down, but I was having also a bit stomach aching when I did this. So Unity down, and then you see ironSource is up like 53%. So who would have known this? So ironSource was from top. Yeah, I mean, in the overall, if you see now the overall price of ironSource, also catastrophe. So this was a $2.26 stock. So you would probably say some sort of pandemic winner stock that got completely slammed in the downward trend. So those 50%, let's be honest, they are not really helping a lot. So from $23 up to up to 341. So if you bought it obviously on the top of November 2021, then you still like down over 70%. So don't get mistaken by those numbers. So of course stocks have to go way more up. So let's go back. So the merger is going So what is going on? So it's an all stock transaction. Sorry guys, all stock transaction values ironSource at approximately 4.4 billion US dollars. So representing a 74% premium to the 30-day average exchange ratio. So the last 30 days average exchange ratio. And I personally have to say I don't like this. Why is Unity buying a stock that is so low now and paying such a premium? Of course they want to get the stock, otherwise they're probably not getting the merger. So I understand this, but nah, that's something I don't like in this whole merger here, and that's also the reason why Unity is down. So Unity board authorizes a share buyback program of up to 2.5 billion effective up and closing of the transaction. So because when we are having this all stock transaction, this means investors of ironSource, they will get stocks by Unity. So in the end, everything is probably going to be called Unity. So once closed, current Unity stockholders will own approximately 73.5%, and current ironSource shareholders will own approximately 26.5% of the combined companies. So we are, as a Unity shareholder, I get diluted by 26.5%. That's a lot of dilution, and then therefore Unity board is authorizing 2.5 billion buyback program. So Silver Lake and Sequoia, two largest Unity shareholders, have committed to investing an aggregate 1 billion in Unity in the form of convertible notes to be issued at closing of the transactions. Ooh, convertible notes. So this again is not so easy. This again might have an impact a little bit later, so that actually then again the price will be affected. So ironSource reaffirms second quarter and full year 2020 guidance provided during its first quarter earnings call. Unity expects second quarter financial results to be slightly higher than the top end of the guidance range provided during the first quarter earnings call. Unity reduces full year 2022 revenue guidance from 1.35 to 1.425 million. So yeah, so on the top line we go down 75 million. So that might not be so much, but still. Guys, so yeah, our Unity share gets diluted. Then we have a buyback, and then we're going to have get 1 billion investment, and in the form of convertible notes. So all of this is actually leading to the fact that investors are not so happy. So investors of Unity, if you're an investor of ironSource, then probably you are happy. So ironSource, Tel-Aviv, Israeli company. So world's leading platform creating and operating interactive blah blah blah. The company's complementary offerings create a unique end-to-end platform that allows creators to create, publish, run, and monetize grow live games. So that's the important part. So maybe guys, maybe something good is coming out of this. So a little bit more down the road, maybe this monetization in Unity makes really sense. But why didn't they think about first having a strong cooperation? Why do they need this merger? That's something I don't understand. I mean, I don't like a stock merger like this, because I didn't care about ironSource before. I mean, I didn't even know this company, and now I'm going to be a shareholder of this company, and I actually liked Unity. And why is Unity itself not able to create something like ironSource created? So probably that's when it's not possible to create something like this. Okay, but then make maybe a very good partnership with ironSource. So first of all, and then we can see if a merger makes sense. But now they decide to go for a merger. So we Unity stockholders, shareholders, so we have to more or less accept this now. And that's the problem. I really have to accept this, guys, because I'm 60% down, and I have to look what is my current way. I'm checking it quickly. So my current average price now, after I bought a little bit more Unity shares, is now at 78 US dollars. So around about here. So probably better than most of you guys. So at 78, because Unity has once been a $200 share. So I have probably a better average price. So why did I buy more? Again, I said it for me it was simply an average down idea, and really to stay long term in Unity. So if you're not invested in Unity now, tricky. So guys, I mean, I'm not giving you investment advice, of course. I'm not doing this, but if I would not be invested myself, so I don't know if I would go really now in, maybe with a small position just to dip my feet in and see what's going on, because on the other hand it's also trading sideways. But yeah, let's hope. So this is the technical aspect, but of course we also have to look a little bit if something good is coming out of this. So let's see what the different CEOs say. So John Riccitiale, CEO of Unity: this is a step further toward realizing our vision of fully integrated platform that helps creators in every step of their RT3D journey. We look forward to welcoming Tomer Bar-Zev, the CEO of ironSource, and the rest of the team into our Unity family. Wonderful. Then to succeed today, creators need an extensive set of solutions and products working in concert to power amazing user experience and sustainable business growth, Bar-Zev says. And then the combination of Unity and ironSource brings together every product needed to power that flywheel of growth in a differentiated platform positioned to lead our category, blah blah blah, beyond. So yeah, ironSource. So what are they doing? Let's check actually again. Their Wikipedia page. So global software company that focuses on developing technologies for app monetization and distribution. Did I say this already? I thought so. With its core products focused on the app economy. So among others, ironSource was chosen as one of the 20 hottest startups in 2013. Oh my god, that's so long time ago. So it was listed in the Wall Street Journal Billion-Dollar Startup Club. In September 2015, ironSource was named by the World Economic Forum as a global growth company. ironSource has also been named one of the hottest pre-IPO tech companies by Business Insider and one of Israel's most innovative companies by Fast Company. ironSource has over 1,000 employees, with more than half dedicated to research and development. Headquartered in Tel Aviv, ironSource has also offices all throughout Asia and the US. So number of locations 12, numbers of employees 1,000, subsidiaries after download Upopa, Supersonic, okay, and the headquarters of course in Tel Aviv. Mobile games and mobile advertisement. So everyone is going in the direction of mobile. So Unity is not only for mobile, okay, they make a lot of mobile games, but that's the question, is it going to help? So, and then very important also here, ironSource went public via merger with a SPAC backed by private equity firm Thoma Private Advantage. I mean, we know what happened with SPACs, guys. I also have some SPACs in my portfolio, and I can tell you I'm not happy. So February, I acquired Lunar Labs, the creative management platform creator of mobile ad creation tools like Lunar Playbill, Lunar Replay. In January, ironSource acquired mobile and quality measurement company. So I see they already went on a acquisition spree themselves. And in February 2020, they announced the launch of its new mobile game studio, Supersonic Studios. And with their games amassing more than 35 million downloads. October 2019, CVC Capital Partners acquired a minority stake for over 400 million. In August 2017, ironSource was reported to be in advanced talks to be bought for 1.8 billion by a consortium of investment funds. You see, they always wanted to be bought. So why did this company just wanted to be bought? So that's, I mean, the founders probably want to cash in. In June 2016, ironSource announced the acquisition of Sequoia-backed video technology company StreamRail. So Sequoia, so here we are. Those are the guys that are also in Unity. In September 2015, ironSource merged Supersonic into its mobile operation for a price estimated to be $200 million. The new organization rebranded itself as ironSource. So, ironSource, I don't see the difference. And so this is yeah, it's going from from newest to oldest. So application, acquired gaming company Opopa is one of the first mobile SDK providers support augmented reality ads for game developers. On October, actually I have an idea, guys. I'm checking very quickly where Trade Desk is. So if we see where Trade Desk is stock, maybe guys, this is helping us. Let's see where Trade Desk is. So Trade Desk was also once is also a company that's in the ad business. And if Trade Desk, also, yeah, also of course super successful, top in November 21, like all the other companies, and it's down 58%, so 45 dollars. So you see Trade Desk, ironSource, so they kind of trade the same. So also here I was I was buying in April 21. I was buying for a really high amount Trade Desk, and then I was selling it more or less than in May. And of course I missed the last crazy upward trends to $200. So I wouldn't say this was a very successful trade for me, and it was actually more a very risky trade. So Trade Desk is still a PE ratio of 221. Is this possible? Oh my god, this is really crazy. So obviously then we have ironSource, Trade Desk, so they trade a little bit the same, and Unity. So guys, I can just pray that Unity comes back. So I mean, it's the financial market, so sometimes you really don't know in which direction this is going to go. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm leaving it here. It's just some reflections of mine. So I'm keeping what I'm doing, I'm holding on my Unity software stocks. I'm going through this acquisition process, and then I will see what's happening in 1, 2, 3 years. So I mean, I'm not selling my Unity in stock now. I would sell it before if the acquisition would not happen, and I would also not just sell because of the acquisition. So also the acquisition, maybe it can have some benefit. That's also possible. But what is for me important, so where we stand in 5 to 10 years. So until then, I'm just keeping my Unity software stake and maybe average a little bit down just to just to be in a better position. But yeah, of course it has to fall to this, fall more for this. So thank you very much guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.